Grace, come over here.
I'm just having distractions. I can't decide between letting my feet get fat and squeezing my tummy more. I just feel like doing wine.
Good job, Emma.
Get ready, everyone.
Just wine.
Emma, Grace,
We're up for it.
can you stand up and walk?
Who wants to listen?
We're not gonna
Stand up and walk. Come over here.
Right now, we're all here.
Come over here.
Emma, you're a big girl. Look at you, big girl. Look at you.
Oh, there's your handy. Yeah. Come here, sweetie.
You gonna get your rattler?
Oh!
Good job. You good girl.
What's Bug doing? Can you go give her the rattle? Can you give Bug the rattle? Go give it to Olivia. No?
Knows who Olivia is.